Right, so we've actually got a 3 Series 330e G20, came in for 500 starlights. So we've smashed out a two-tone effect on this with twinkles and 500 lights. This car actually did literally come to the owner 2 days ago, and we already had this pre-booked. So he said to me, look, I want the best of best. So he came through and we delivered. It's already got a front splitter on there. We're going to soon do the DRLs on this. We're going to do them the yellow color, and he's ordered a steering wheel with this. So he's actually got a carbon fiber M Sport striped steering wheel. So hopefully when we get that, I'll be able to show you the guys that as well. I'm actually using a camera finally, so the content should be 10 out of 10 now. So if you have a look, it's a twinkle effect. I've actually got purple and white on there at the moment, but obviously you can choose whatever color you wanted to, and it's come out really nice.